Hi everybody, this is Claudia Miguel. In this video I am gonna show you guys some basics that you can use during a conversation. Welcome, this is Learning Portuguese during quarantine. Are you guys ready? Yes. Okay, let's get started. The first question you can use during a conversation will be how old are you? How old are you? This is normal, everybody asks how old people are, isn't it? So if you want to ask your friend how old he or she is, you can say in Portuguese, quantos anos tens? Quantos anos tens? Quantos anos tens? Quantos anos tens? In English, how old are you? How old are you? In Portuguese, quantos anos tens? You can repeat after me, okay? Just repeat after me. When I say, you repeat. I say, you repeat. I say, you repeat. Okay, so you're gonna ask your friend, how old are you? Portuguese, quantos anos tens? Quantos anos tens? Quantos anos tens? Good. The answer for this, I am 20. Yeah. In Portuguese, tenho 20 anos. Tenho 20 anos. Yeah, somos muito novos. Tenho 20 anos. Tenho 20 anos. Tenho 20 anos. Yeah. How old are you? How old are you? Quantos anos tens? Tenho 20 anos. Tenho 20 anos, which means I am 20 or I am 20 years old. Good. If you want to know, imagine the other person will ask you, how about you? Or and you? The translation for Portuguese will be e tu? Or e você? Quantos anos tens? E tu? Quantos anos tens? E tu? Quantos anos tens? And you'll say your age. I am 25. Or tenho 25 anos. Tenho 25 anos. Tenho 25 anos. As for me, I am 20. Tenho 20 anos. Tenho 20 anos. Obviously, it depends how old you are, isn't it? You can say you're 19, you're 20, you're 30. That's, it depends on how old are you. Next, some question that everybody asks, especially in this country, everybody asks, which is, where are you from? Or where are you from? Where are you from? You'll say, I am from Portugal. In Portuguese, de onde és? 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 The answer for this, I am from Portugal. Sou de Portugal, ou sou de Angola, no meu caso. In my case, sou de Angola. Sou de Angola. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Angola. És de onde? Sou de Angola. És de onde? Sou de Angola. Ou eu sou de Angola. Eu sou de Angola. Good, you're doing very well. Next question, which is not a question. Next phrase will be nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in Portuguese. Em português, prazer em conhecer-te. Prazer em conhecer-te. Prazer em conhecer-te. Prazer em conhecer-te. Nice to meet you. Prazer em conhecer-te. Prazer em conhecer-te. Good. If you want to respond back, you'll say nice to meet you too. So in Portuguese, prazer em conhecer-te também. Or you can just say thank you, obrigada, obrigada. We learned that in our previous lesson, obrigada. If you are male, obrigado. Prazer em conhecer-te. Prazer em conhecer-te. The answer for this? Prazer em conhecer-te. Can use prazer em conhecer-te também. Prazer em conhecer-te também. Or you just can say obrigada. Well done. Thank you so much for watching. I am very sure that you are going to speak Portuguese. You're doing very well. Thank you. So I'll see you in the next lesson.